guys, good morning. So I'm about to use the juicer for the first time that Jason bought me for Christmas. Can you believe so from me get the juicer, I not use it? Me still did I use the blender? Well, me never have any problem with the blender. It's just that I'm assuming or I should think that the juicer is easier. Plus me want it to do some what you call those? You'll see because I'm gonna make some right now. Somebody did comment and tell me so when I use it, if I put a bag in this part, we call it the trash, it make the work easier. I have some beetroot, some orange and ginger in this. I'm gonna blend it up now and see. Remember, I try to build up my blood count. I always put pineapple or orange in a beetroot just to make the taste so strong. It have like a little dirt taste to me, but I don't have no problem. I get so used to it because I know say my body need it. So, guys, in the ear, Jason, him team now gone good. Wait, let me see. So you have no other switch, just this. I think you would have come with something with it. Well, it's one button on the side, show now. The middle stop it. Up here so look like low and down here so high. So I'm gonna do it for low. So put it on. Wait, you can't hold more than one thing? No. And I'm pressure it. Let me try with this first. Wait, what am I doing for this? Okay. Stop here, see what's going in there. Guys, me still in my 90, ignore me. Me get it. You know why did I move so slow? Because me never did apply no pressure. So when I put this in there, I push it down. But it's a learning process. And I could get into it now. So the word that I was looking for is wellness shot. Okay. So this is it. This is all I got. This is gonna be my little wellness shot when I'm gonna take a morning time. Throw it one glass and drink it now. And then put the rest in the fridge. See? This one just about 2 glasses. I like it better with pineapple though. Anyways, it's not for beauty, it's for duty. It's for my health and I wanna know my situation. So I need this in my body. But yeah, I'm gonna try to be back consistent with my wellness shot. I just want the bottle them to come. So when I make it, I'm gonna come back, come show now. So you can use whatever you want or whatever you think your body need. Now I have the juice and I'm gonna try to see if I can make different flavors. So I'm gonna do one with like greens, one with the beetroot, the turmeric, and do them like different days. So my body can get like, you know, everything. Ooh. This strong. I'm gonna pour this in it. Alright. So I'm gonna wash up these now. So we still have mess to clean. We still have little mess. But it's not bad. Oh, you see? Now I get it. Well, I did get it, but now I see it for myself. So I'm gonna clean up and come back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and cleaned up the fish and seasoned it with some complete season. I think a 2 piece alone I did have enough, but when I go in there, I see how much there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So I just have to do everything. So I fry it dry and then cook it down. So put them in. And now I'm going to put on the water for the food. Yellow yam, dasheen, sweet potato, and pumpkin. I went ahead and cut them up already. So now I'm going to peel these. So I might not cook all of that. Probably just put some in the freezer. Because that's how I normally do. To make them stay long. Especially the sweet potato. I do all of the dasheen though. And the pumpkin. So I'm not doing a dumpling today. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm not going to put in the pumpkin yet. So I'm going to put the rest in the freezer. So, I'm going to put back these. I'm going to put these in the freezer Probably can do it for breakfast one next day. But I'm gonna do all of the pumpkin. I'm gonna put in the pumpkin yet because pumpkin easy to boil and I don't want it to get soft. So I finish fry the fish. So I fry them dry and I go cook them down. But I have to stop and wipe off the stove because I can't manage the messy stove at all. Mind you, the stove hot enough. God have mercy, I can't me alone do this. Oh, yeah. I'll manage. Something is really wrong with it. Ah! Hot man. And the food are boiled. Okay, this is better. I saw this alone I have in the fridge as season, but I should think this is enough, you know, to give the fish some flavor. So some pimento seed, a piece of ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet, sweet pepper, and onion. I don't have any tomato nor carrot. Normally I put carrot in my fish, but I don't have any. So I'm just like use what I have right now. I'm happy so I find sweet pepper because sweet pepper and garlic, because I love sweet pepper in everything, and garlic. And probably we should have closed the window because the house next door, them cut the yard. And the weed worker kind of sound loud. And just crush the ginger. And this is it. The same oil when I used to fry the fish, I'm going to use to cook it down. I showed some of the oil a while ago. So I'm going to add in the seasoning. I'm going to add some ketchup, some vinegar, not much. I'm going to add 1 spoon of the great sweet and spicy sauce. Let that one boil. And we want enough gravy because we eat it with ground food, and if we don't know, we're gonna need that gravy. Trust me. We're gonna need it. So the food finished boil. This is it. Everything boiled nicely. I can't wait to taste the pumpkin. It looked like it's gonna taste good, but we'll see. And the fish are cooked down. Ooh. Oh, you know what I'm gonna add? We need to taste if it needs some seasoning. I'm not even taste it. What on the guys? So it was okay. I'm not worry add no more seasoning to it. I guess the seasoning I did use for seasoning was enough. But yeah, I just wait on it now and then we can eat. So that's that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Some of my favorite stuff. Yes, I know.
But then I tell them earlier, I said, you know what I forget to put in there, the plantain.
Wait, go feed.
No, I never remember for boiling.
Damn,
I'm
man.
ready for eat though.
Why? Fish tastes very good. Very well done. You put it sweet too long.
No, I guess so.
You go sit there, bro.
Anyways, guys, happy Sunday. So I'm gonna end off and get myself together. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much.